Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial, Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to post Instagram story from PC. The first step is go to your navigator. In this case, I use Microsoft Edge, and you need to log in your account of Instagram. And you can see in the option of create, and they don't have send to you like a history, just post. So this is the option as of PC. This is the only option, and in PC you got to post something. The only thing you can post is post in your feed probably. But in this case, I go to the option in the superior part of the navigator. You need to go to the superior right corners in these three points. Put here, and after that you need to go to the option of more tools. And in this option, you need to go to the last option of this part where it said developer tools. So you put here, and after that, you need to put here in the solving device emulation. So you can emulate the application of Instagram in PC in your smartphone. So you can use these options like it's for upload like a history. You see, you can emulate the like a phone, and you can post it and use history in this PC. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.